giant death dragons have been found in Argentina. Researchers from Argentina have unearthed several representatives of the largest pterosaur species. Dubbed death dragons by paleontologists, two giant flying reptiles were discovered in the Plottier Formation, located in Mendoza Province. This is reported by Live Science. The wingspan of the two individuals was approximately 7 and 9 meters wide, respectively. Researchers have confirmed that these are the so-called Azhdarchids, a family of pterosaurs that lived at the end of the Cretaceous period, that is, about 146 million years ago. The Azhdarchids were known for their very large skulls, sometimes even larger than their bodies, as well as overly elongated necks and short, sturdy bodies, comments Leonardo D. Ortiz David, lead author of a new study describing huge pterosaurs and general coordinator from the Argentine Dinosaur Laboratory and Museum in Mendoza. Scientists have identified pterosaurs as individuals of the species Thanatostracon amaru. This is the only species in the genus, which means dragon of death in Greek. The authors of the study reported that the name of the species Amaru translates as flying snake from the language of the indigenous peoples of Quechua and correlates with Amaru, the Inca deity with two heads. The Thanatostracon fossils were in varying degrees of preservation. Some of them were intact, for example, both humerus bones, syncarpalia, fused foot bones, and dorsal vertebrae, the expert reports. But most, including the forearm bones shown in the photo below, were shattered. Currently, the fossils are stored in the Dinosaur Laboratory and Museum at the National University of Cuyo. To help preserve the samples, the experts made casts on a scale of 1 to 1. The researchers' conclusions about the found remains are promised to be published in the September 2022 issue of the journal Cretaceous Research.